Tamam. 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 Tamam, sakin ol. Tamam, sakin ol. Tamam, sakin ol. Tamam, anladım. Tamam, anladım. Tamam, anladım. Bana söz ver, tamam mı? Bana söz ver, tamam mı? Bana söz ver, tamam mı? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lessons.